Hey everybody, this is Gerry with Go Forth and Lake Norman Pest Control. I am riding along with Vicky today from Lake Norman Pest Control. Vicky, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I am great. So Vicky, you live in Mooresville?
Yeah, on the outskirts of Mooresville, closer to China Grove, but I still do most of whatever I do in Mooresville. No, I actually got married and moved up here, and then about a year after I moved up here, my husband got cancer. And then he passed away in 2013 after like 3 years of here. And I stayed because I've got land, got a house here and horses and stuff, and I don't want to leave.
You have horses?
I rode bulls for like a year. My son wanted to ride bulls, and he says, "Mom, I want to ride bulls." And I was like, he was 13 years old, and I said, "Well, look, let me tell you, Mom will get on it first, and if Mama gets hurt, you don't do it." So we went and got on it, and that was like the biggest adrenaline rush I'd ever had. And I was like, I like this.
Holy cow. Moving on, so we're talking about Lake Norman and Mooresville. What's the vibe like here?
Monday through Friday, it's like go get it done. It's like you're looking for the weekend. So everything around here during the week is fast paced. Weekend rolls around, it's like us sitting at this stop like 5 cars behind. It's not like that. It's like you pull up to the light and turn. Because summertime, everybody's on the lake. There's hardly no traffic.
So everything does revolve around the lake here?
Yes. Well, it's the lake and NASCAR. Like I said, you got downtown where you got all the race car names and stuff in the sidewalk. You got the Dale Earnhardt Museum. That's always, kind of neat and what attracts people here. But it's, like I said, because we're so close to the Speedway, it's like everything revolves around it.
Different attractions that people wouldn't expect here, you know?
Cliffhangers. People that like to rock climb and stuff, they've actually got a building that you can go and actually climb rocks anywhere from beginning. You can take your kids, 2-year-old kids there, and they got a place for them to climb. If you're an experienced rock climber, you could go climb. It's awesome. Then if you like to race cars, the pit. You can go drive cars to your heart. They got laser tag. That whole warehouse is pretty much anything you want to do in it.
So is that go-karts?
Yep.
Gotcha.
High-speed go-karts.
That's probably beyond my experience level.
It's crazy.
What would you show a visitor to convince them to spend time here?
The lake. Take them to Queen's Landing. Take them out on dinner on the lake. But they have a boat that you can actually get on and actually eat on the boat. They take you out dine. It's like top of the line. But you just put around the lake and look at all the sights around the lake, especially at Christmas time when they have all the docks decorated.
Okay, that would go a long way toward convincing me. Where's the places that people think of immediately when they think of Mooresville?
Whataburger. That's just if anybody ever comes up here and they ever go to Whataburger and eat, that's the first thing they think of is they want to go back to Whataburger.
Yeah.
Because it's like the old-timey drive-ins, I think is what appeals to everybody and what attracts them.
You mentioned one other place earlier.
Bucko's, and I'm going to take you by it.
Bucko's is up here?
Mm-hmm. It's homemade. It's not processed burgers. If you get a burger, it's hand-painted out. Everything they've got is fresh. Some of the awesomest milkshakes you'll ever drink. To me, Whataburger's good, but if you ever eat a Bucko's, it'll be like you'll be sitting there trying to flip a coin to see, okay, do I need to go to Whataburger or do I need to go to Bucko's?
There's an enormous moose out back.
Yep, that's what you keep missing.
You are kidding me.
Bucko the moose. People up here are different. Mm-hmm. Up here, even doing like running routes and talking to people, it's some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. Everybody seems that they care. Here, it's like everybody gets along. It's a good town.
I want to go ahead and say thank you for your time. Thank you for taking me around your town. I appreciate your patience and the information and everything.
I appreciate allowing me to do this. Lake Norman is an awesome company to work for. I wish more women would actually come to work for this company. It's not that hard. We just need more females here. Please.
See, that I don't know what else needs to be said about that.
I will personally train you if you'll come here and get a job. I will take you with me.
You too can be a Vicky. Probably the best way to end that. That's Mooresville, Lake Norman. Visit, check it out, and call Vicky.
Call Lake Norman Pest Control. We will definitely get ready to insects for you.
Because she did say there's a lot of termites here.
There are. You need termite protection.
All right. Let's roll. Thanks so much.
You're very welcome.